Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. After a really nice directional trendy intraday yesterday, today the SPY decided to cool down, take a break, and consolidate. Okay, pretty much textbook stuff that we are seeing here. Still overall bullish. Why are we overall bullish, Uncle Charles? Well, remember that we cleared that 531.5 sell zone. We cleared that sell zone, and now that sell zone is the new buy zone. Today we got close to testing it as support, and we got a little bit of buying pressure. Okay, the buying pressure didn't lead to a new breakout of another critical level, but it managed to maintain the breakout. Now, question is this some type of evening star pattern form? And you can see on the triple Q, you can see it a lot better. Or is it just the market cooling off and setting up Friday for an even bigger breakout? Okay, as always, guys, I know there's other YouTubers out there. I know there's a lot of people out there that think they could see the future. They think they could, they think they could see the future. I don't know why. If you guys could see the future, why waste your time with trading stock? Just go play the lottery. You make money faster if you could see the future, guys. But for those of us that live in reality, we follow the price action. We play the setups. All right. So, like I said, if we are going to get bearish, we need the breakdown of 533 and 531.5. If we break it down, now we got new context here. Yesterday I mentioned if we break it down, it'll be a false breakout. Now, if we break it down based on this context, yes, it would still be a false breakout, which is bearish. But now we got this consolidation candle, this doji candle or whatever to the side of it. Okay, which can possibly form some type of evening star pattern. Okay, it takes 3 candles for that candlestick pattern to form. Okay, all I'm saying is the context is a little different. And with this candle, and if we break down 531.5, it would add to my conviction of being bearish, if that makes sense. But overall, for me to be bearish, the price action must tell me to be bearish. And that means breaking down 533 and 531.5. If the market does not do that, I am not going to go bearish. I'm going to stay bullish and follow through. Bullish follow through would be to break out 535 and 536.36. If those levels clear, 538 and 540 are in play. Guys, it's very simple. Very simple. Don't complicate it. Don't let your imaginary crystal ball stop you from making money in the stock market. Okay, because you can if you learn how to trade unbiasedly. And now for triple Q, it's similar situation to the SPY. We got this big body green candle followed by a doji and indecisive candle. Could possibly form the evening star pattern. Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't jump the gun. People are so impatient, they jump the gun so much. They see 2 candles. Oh, time to get bearish. We didn't get confirmation yet, guys. Okay, now what is confirmation? What is the confirmation? Is like the setup, the trigger for me to go long or to go short. And for me to go short, for me to want to go short, I need to see support at 462 and 460.5 break down. If those levels break down, I would look to short. I would go bearish. That's the trade idea that I'm giving to you guys for free. But you gotta let the price action give you the okay to say so. Stop acting like you know better than the price action. That's why your P&L for the last 6 months is still red, because you guys won't humble yourself. I'm not talking to all you guys. I'm talking to the ones that need to hear it, the biased traders. All right? Now, if, like I said, we break down 462 and 460.5, I would look to short. Otherwise, if we break out 463.2, we're a little above that right now, but if we break out above 463.2 and we break out 464.7, I would favor more upside to 466 and 467.2 or higher. Okay, guys, I know a lot of people say, man, this market needs to pull back. It's unhealthy. Market's going to do what it's going to do. Look at NVDA. It's going to go up and it's going to pull back when it wants to, not when you tell it to do. Now, before we cover NVDA, let's take a look at Tesla real quick. It recaptured the 176 fib level. Okay, we got a false breakdown setup. The bears couldn't show follow through today, but the bulls did. Now, if they're going to continue to show follow through, they need to keep that false breakdown setup intact. That means staying above 176 and finally clearing 180 on the daily chart. If that happens, 182.6 and 184.6 are all in play. Bottom is in above 184.6. All right. If this was a bull trap, it gotta break back below 176 to trigger puts or shorts. All right. Now let's get to that monster NVDA. Beautiful move to the upside. Beautiful move to the downside. If you are not making money on this stock, take a break. Educate yourself a little more until you come back smarter, wiser, and stronger. Because as of right now, this stock is kicking everybody's butt except for the unbiased sheep style traders, because we can trade it up or down or sideways. As of right now, 12.13 is next resistant. Okay, 12.13 is next resistant. If it clears, look to long. I would favor more upside. Okay, 12.13 is the level to watch. Above that level is bullish. Now, if we're gonna get bearish, I have support at 12.10 and 12.08.5. If those levels fail, we're gonna drop a lot lower. 12.06, 12.04, 12.02.4, 1200 or lower will all be back in play. All right, we want more upside. 12.13 must clear. We want more downside. The main level that needs to break down is 12.02.40. That level fails, we're going to get some lower lows of this correction incoming. Now let's end this with some dog pool. All right, dog pool. SPY is not that much activity. I haven't been seeing anything over a billion, but 534.5 is where most of the activity came. 534.5. Triple Q 463.67. Now that's actually over a billion. Holy moly. Big money's coming in. NVDA. Okay, so 1209.98. That's about where my 1210 level's at. That's about the same as my 1210 level. Cut 2 cents off. And then there's Tesla, 177.94. We can round that to 178. Although it's only about 60.5 million, so it's not too impressive. All right, so dog pool, that was dog pool. Let's take a look at the flows. 100K premiums or above. For SPY, it is bearish. Triple Q is bullish. Look, it's switching. Yesterday it was the opposite. NVDA is bullish and Tesla is a bullish. All right, now take a look at Bitcoin. It's still looking bearish to me. It is testing 70.1K as a support. So if that does break down, it could get bearish. Okay, we could have ourselves a double top and a false breakout setup combined. But 70.1K, if it stays above that, both have a shot. But they're gonna have to clear 72K and 73.8K to trigger more upside. All right. As far as Beetle goes, nothing for Beetle. No flows were bought for Beetle. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more content, more work done by Uncle Charters, you want more stuff from me, please definitely consider joining my Discord. Come join the Sheep's Den. Be part of the family. Allow me to serve you at a much higher level. And let's make this money. Peace.
Would you take the wheel if I lose control? I'm still lying here. We're talking to God. Take me home. We're talking to God. Will you take me home? Will you take me home? Yeah.